Hey, what's up guys? I'm just gonna show you, I'm just gonna do a little video today on my backyard. I'm gonna show you a couple of plants and stuff that I'm growing back here. This is my pretty much like a garden area here. Get this into focus. Okay, got my pond. The water's a little murky there, a little dirty. I gotta change the filter. I need a better filter. I got some koi fish in there. The koi fish down there. So my koi fish, I got about, I think 8 koi fish and some regular comet goldfish in there. So I gotta do a little maintenance on there. And I got, over here I have my pear tree. This is my pear tree over here. And these are little bags. I put these little bags here to protect the pears that are growing on it, because the squirrels and the bugs, they get to the pears. So I'm trying to, this year I decided to do this and try this out so they won't get a hold of all the pears. That's what they do every year. The squirrels get to them and insects, but mainly squirrels. So I did that. And over here, this is my kiwi bush. It's actually a vine. So what this kiwi, what happens is it likes to shoot sprouts all the way up to the tree, goes all the way to the top, and I have to trim it down. It gets crazy, so I have to trim it down. And over here I have my grapevines. I have 4 different grapes over here growing. So I've had these grapevines for about 7 years now already. So this year it's been growing grapes. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know if they're... Okay, let me see. Nah, you can probably see some grapes. They're green over here. That's young grapes. I don't know if you can see it with the camera. You could. Let me try to zoom in. Maybe you could get that. You could see it like right over here. There's some little baby grapes there growing. They're actually growing on the, because the vines are attaching to the tree, they're connecting to the branches on the this mulberry tree, and they're hanging off of there. So that's pretty cool. And I just got this plant here, and I don't even remember what it's called. And I put this over here, this other plant here. I just put it there with the pot for now. And I got a over here I have what is it? Apple tree. Okay. I did the same thing. There's only a couple of apples left here. See that? I hooked it up like that. There's only a few apples. This tree is still too young. Obviously it's small and it's still growing, so I'm just testing it out, see how these apples grow before the squirrels get to them. And I got some plants over here, some flower plants. All the flowers already came out. See, I got all the plants over here. Little bush there. And I planted a giant elephant ear plant all the way back here. I don't know if you can see it. It's starting to grow. See it a little bit. See, it's starting to sprout out the little stick coming out, little point. Looks like a horn. There's a little piece right here. Finally started to come. I thought it died, but it didn't. So it's actually growing. That's going to be a giant elephant ear. It should grow really, really big. So I gotta see how that's going to look. So these are all of my plants, and around the pond there's also some plants there. That's the way I got this all set up. And over here is my little bird feeder. That's for the seeds. That's supposed to be for hummingbirds, and I gotta get some more seeds there. And that's the little house, the bird house. And that's it. That's it for my little backyard garden. Oh, also I have some potted plants over here. This one's called Jose. I got this one because it has, my name, Jose. And got this other plant. I don't remember the name. It's bush, actually a bush. And I got this one. And I got this other little apple tree over here. I've had this apple tree for about 7 years also. I grew this one from seed. This apple tree. And another little bush there. And I got other plants inside and inside the house. So that's my little tour of my little garden. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.